the right, James, to the right. There you go, there you go. Finish it, finish it. Okay. Let him up, James. Let him up. Let him up. There you go.
That's what hurts. I'm gonna go sit and lock the fridge.
I'm gonna call KJ and I'm gonna say, don't repeat before we go to Boy Scouts.
Lock the fridge, don't let him
There you go, James. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Keep pushing, James. Push.
Every 5 seconds he comes up. How long till I get to wrestle? How many more minutes?
Good job, James. Shake hands.
Why is one blue and one red?
Red, white, blue, baby. Coach Jackson.